Whether you're doing e-commerce, freelancing, copywriting, or anything else on the internet, it's important to have one central hub to essentially have all of your data in one place. Now, today we're going to talk about Boardroom because this platform allows everything to be integrated all into one place where you can analyze the data and you can even use AI to create a lot of the content for you. So without further ado, let's get into Boardroom. So this is the Boardroom landing page. I will show you the dashboard and walk you through some of the tools in a minute, but it's important to really just highlight what this does. So we can see here that Boardroom can basically grow your organic traffic by 204%, and they are the leading e-commerce SEO platform. So what this means is you could basically make your blog posts, you could make your imagery, make your product images and photos all inside Boardroom with AI and manage multiple different platforms all in one place, getting data on keywords and other things to do with your sales. So this can be fantastic for anyone that writes blogs, anyone that sells stuff online, drop shippers, this kind of stuff, or just freelancers that are managing people's brands for them. As you can see here, these guys are saying that you can save 10 hours, and I would testify that you probably save more than that with their AI tools here, simply because it will write the entire post for you and even come up with the article name for you based on the keywords you input. And I'll show you how to do that in a minute, but let's just talk about how good this thing is. This thing basically allows you to integrate from any of the major platforms, whether it's Shopify, Google Ads, Google Analytics, even OpenAI and Amazon are part of this. So this is going to be fantastic for managing everything in one place. And a couple of the key features here is, yes, the analytics is ridiculous. We can go here and just see an example of that. That is fantastic. And they do have that AI-powered SEO, where again, it's going to write your articles for you, give you all the tags, and this thing, because it's integrated with Google Analytics, it's actually going to get you SEO scores based on the tags and the SEO in your article and help you improve it with that data. You can also get AI generated product photos, as you can see here. So if we were selling this cooking apparatus, we can see that it's going to generate various different AI photos of the item in different places. This is going to be fantastic just for finding the right vibe and the highest selling thumbnail for your products. Then if you have multiple stores here, guys, these guys actually have a multi-store dashboard. So you could go ahead and see your Facebook store, you could go ahead and see your Amazon store, Shopify, all in one place on the dashboard. And that's going to be something that's very useful if you're selling the same product across multiple platforms. And then there's customer relationship management, where you can actually see where your customers are and then adjust how you talk to them based on that. And you can also see your inventory analysis, where you are just going to get data on what you've sold, what's performing well, what's not performing well. And then you can basically tweak and optimize your business to sell things just more efficiently and effectively. This is going to be great for profit, and it's going to be great for ease of use. So let's dive into the platform here. We can see here, this is the dashboard. And what I will say is this is very, very simple but easy to use. As you can see here, we've got my Shopify stores right here, multiple different Shopify stores, I will say, and we can see my Amazon store here as well. You can also see my ad spend, which will be linked with Google Ads. As you can see, $177 spent and 4 total gross orders. So gross margin is currently 100% here. And what I love about this product is just going to show you everything here all in one spot. So it's super easy to get this done. But if you're looking for AI content and specifically SEO content, let's talk about the SEO blog posts, because this is one of the best ways that you can sell products and run affiliates online. So let's just type in a keyword here, life hacks. I think that's a pretty simple one, and see what this suggests for me. And I would probably want something a bit like this. You can see on the left 10 innovative ways to do something, right? These kind of blog posts perform really, really well. They do get the attention. So if we're going for life hacks, then we could sell products inside that post very, very easily. So let's just press the suggest a topic button here, and it's going to say, yep, 10 life hacks to boost your productivity in everyday tasks. Next, we're going to select the tone. Could be casual, could be informative, could be super formal. Let's go with casual for this. It is a blog post at the end of the day. Desired word count, let's go for 500. Keep it short, keep it to the point. And then additional instructions is fine. We're just going to leave that. Press generate blog post and see what happens from there. So as you can see here, it has generated this entire blog post, 10 life hacks to boost your productivity in everyday tasks. So now we can go in here, actually go into the SEO editor. And as you can see here, it's going to give us an SEO score on the right-hand side. That's going to be 76. Pretty good, but we would want this closer to 100. And it's even got SEO tips here. So we can actually go through and see your content contains a title tag. That's good. Meta description, see input tab. Yeah, you should add a meta description to your content. Your meta description should be short. Minimum of 100 characters is recommended. So it's actually going to teach you how to get this blog post to rank higher and higher on Google Google and higher just in an SEO format on most search engines. So it's got all of the things we've done great. Page headings, we've got in green, okay, and all of the things that need work are going to be basically unticked here with no color. So we can basically see what we need to do to make this blog post better. And then after that, we can basically put in the links to our products. So if we wanted to do set time limits, maybe there's a timer app or a scheduling app that we could actually input here with a referral code, and then we would get sales from that, basically people clicking the link. And this is how you make a lot of money with blog posts. And this tool in itself, Boardroom, is great for something like that, right? If you're selling a product, if you are selling it on Shopify, then you could write a really high ranking blog post on that product and include that inside the blog post. And then yes, you're going to get sales basically organically from your blog post. That's going to be pretty cool. If you can do that, then yeah, I mean, it's super easy to do. So yeah, publish to Shopify, publish anywhere you want. You could basically copy and paste this and publish it anywhere, of course. But yeah, just make sure you're tracking the links in the dashboard as well here. But that's basically how you work with SEO in this. But you could also do it with product photos. As you can see here, we can upload an image of our product. It's going to take that image and then it's basically going to put different backgrounds around it, different branding around it, and you can just pick one to suit your needs. As you can see here, it's generating a bunch for me now for a snowboard. So obviously we're not going to want a green background there. We're going to want more of a snowy one. And then back on the dashboard here, we can also get product descriptions. So that could be high ranking SEO product descriptions very easily. Again, very similar to the blog post. We're going to write a short description, which would be essentially keywords, and then it's going to basically generate the perfect product description for you that will rank high in SEO, but also will be something that could potentially convert your audience better, because this is AI. It is going to be trained on all of that stuff. And the last one here is emails. So if we wanted to put out some cold emails here with call to actions, with links, and or maybe just outreach stuff, right? You could do so very easily with this platform. Just type in your keywords like we've done before, okay? And then yes, it's going to generate that for us. And yes, it's going to be high converting. Yes, it's going to be something that might be more personal. You can select the different tones for that very easily in this section. Next is the overview section. As you can see here, it's going to show all of the data that we need. We can even go through and find even more data by scrolling here. It's fantastic that there's so much here that you can use. And we can also see our revenue with nice graphs as we scroll down. You can see this year, $20,000. Okay, this platform is fantastic, guys. Honestly, it's got everything at your fingertips, whether it's creating content, whether it's making better SEO, whether it's creating product content as well. And we're talking about descriptions, photos, and just really upping the sales because of that. This is something that a lot of other platforms don't do. They'll just be one-trick ponies where yes, maybe you get data, or yes, maybe you get a little bit in terms of AI, but these guys basically do everything all in one place. So that's why I do love this platform more than anything. We can also go to financials here by clicking on the left, and then we can go to sales. We can also go to expenses. And yes, there's a lot of different things we can do here. Now, we've talked a little bit about the platform, how to use it and what it does. And again, this is pretty innovative and revolutionary stuff for one platform to do all of this at once. But the best thing about this, guys, is the pricing, because the pricing is super, super cheap. Other platforms will sometimes charge you $100, $200 for the lowest pricing tier. And we can see here, these guys actually only charging $24 per month, and they only limit you based on your orders. So what does that mean? Well, essentially, this is a really, really good payment structure, because if you pay $24 per month and you go over 99 orders, then you're obviously going to have made enough profit to get the next subscription anyway. So this in itself is a great business model from these guys, because they make money, but they're not going to overcharge you, and they're only limiting you to more features as you make money. So you can scale as your business scales on this platform as well. So fantastic stuff there. And then once you do get a lot of money going, and again, guys, still super cheap. For the enterprise version is only $100 per month. So if you're pulling even 10 sales a week and making $1,000 a week or something like this, even for a small business, I mean, this would be worth it. And you get those unlimited monthly orders because of that. You also get all features included in every tier subscription, right? So if you are a smaller business and you are going to get less than 100 sales, you might as well just stick on the 24-month, right? But the point is, you're not going to be going up in subscription and unlocking more things. The only thing it's going to be unlocking is more orders. So the more profit you make, then the higher tier you get. And obviously, if you're making more than $100 per month, guys, in profit, I mean, enterprise is unlimited anyway, so it makes sense for that. So these guys are basically saying, hey, you're only really needing to pay us more if you're making more, and that shows that they're confident in their products. Now, here are a few of the things actually coming to this platform. Obviously, it's already massive already. They've got a lot of features that just blow all of the competitors out of the water, but we can see they are going to be doing Amazon fee analysis in March. Okay, updated reporting modules, TikTok ads ads integration, which will be massive for you Shopify and e-commerce guys. Okay, they're going to have Amazon product listing creation with AI. So basically the whole process of listing on Amazon will be very, very efficient based on this platform using AI. Got staff accounts for multiple users, which will be good. Currency conversions from different currencies from different locations, that will be useful as well. Okay, white labeling, so you could take other products, put your logo on it, and then do so with this in the platform. That's going to be in August this year. QuickBooks integration. QuickBooks is basically an accounting software, very, very good and effective. So you can use that and integrate it into Boardroom very, very easily. Actually get your accounting running efficiently and yeah, basically hands off. So that'll be fantastic. We've got other e-commerce platform integrations such as WooCommerce, Etsy, Walmart, etc. in Q4 of 2025. So these guys are seriously scaling, seriously working, and they've already got a fantastic product. So good stuff from Boardroom. Definitely check these guys out in the description. Highly, highly recommend them. They have helped my business out a lot. But that's going to be it for this video. I will see you in the next one.